Hi, Mr. Foster. Today is evaluation day. Hey, I ripped a hole in my glove. That's no good. Let's pretend we didn't see that. Gosh, that's a nice watch. Wow. Normally I see these and they're not in this condition. I mean, even the beautiful faceted crystal is there and in place. Look at it, it's so barely worn. The 43rd example made in January 1975. Hacks. God, the dial and hands are so clean. Yep. Kanji English day wheel. And you said that, I mean, you got a 5600, but the date quick set does function. Your date corrector is correct. Now, the thing with the date correctors in these, they have a little, it's a lever that when you pull the crown out, the lever moves one side or the other, and it has a couple little gears in it, which lead to a 4-toothed gear that turns to quick set either one or the other. That little four-tined wheel, if you want to call it that, these were originally made in sort of a plastic, and the plastic shrinks no matter what you do. It's an environmental thing. It shrinks, the material fails, and it cracks. So, I mean, I have probably 6 or 7 of these levers, NOS, in the package, and they're all bad. Usually they go bad without any help from anybody else. I'll look at this one and see. You had said that you were like, well, let's see if maybe we can put a metal one in there. I'll look and see what we've got. Maybe it's already been upgraded. But we'll see. Gosh, it's a pretty watch. I don't know if this has ever been opened. We might need to get something big on it. Nope, we do not. Opens right up. Isn't that pretty? With a fine adjust on it. 25 jewels. These they go for. They just don't, they're such high quality movements. This one, the 5600 and the 5200 were sort of co-equal higher end movements that Daini and Sua developed kind of side by side using the same kind of tech. It's got the Swiss style automatic winding rather than the Seiko magic lever, so they're a lower height movement. It's a nice looking movement. Super fine adjust. Look at that. This is the same kind of fine adjust that you get on almost exactly this kind of thing on 6159Bs. They have this, basically this exact same gig. Isn't that something? Really precision made. I don't know. There's not much else to say. It's a good watch. Do we have any? No servicing marks. Not much to say. It's a good watch. I think the only question mark is going to be what the date corrector wheel is up to. The rest of this is straightforward. Well, you let me know. Looks good to me.